I went into this expecting another overhyped AI video tool, and honestly, the sales pitch. VideoClawBot is presented as an autonomous AI video agent that lives inside Telegram and a cloud dashboard. The pitch is simple. You send one command, and the system helps plan, build, and deliver videos, visuals, scripts, and client-facing assets. That is a much bigger claim than a basic AI video generator. And to be fair, the demo shows a structured workflow rather than just a blank prompt box. It looks designed for people who want a repeatable production process, not just a one-off clip. But that also means you are buying into a system, not just a tool. If you don't want to learn a workflow, even a simple one, this may feel heavier than the marketing suggests. In the source video at this point, demonstration of VideoClawBot. Before we dive into the interface, I want to clarify what VideoClawBot actually is from the inside. This is not just another basic AI video generator where you type a simple text prompt and pray for a decent output. VideoClawBot is designed as a fully automated enterprise-grade AI video agency right inside your phone and desktop dashboard. It operates via natural language instructions. The real problem here is time and tool sprawl. The page keeps coming back to the same pain. Writing scripts in one place, making visuals somewhere else, editing in another app, then trying to package the result for a client. VideoClawBot claims to collapse all of that into one assistant that can take photos, voice notes, URLs, and text instructions. That's appealing if you build content or client promos for a living. But the trade-off is obvious. The more the platform promises to do, the more important proof becomes. Right now, the page gives me process proof, not outcome proof. I can see the workflow. I cannot verify the quality at scale. In the source video at this point, I decided to change our future. With VideoClawBot, I learned everything. Greater than look at this second clip. A hyper-realistic shot of a girl on a beach. Remarkably, this entire asset was initiated straight from a smartphone via Telegram. I will show you exactly how to replicate that process in a few minutes. Let's explore system agents. These are proprietary, deeply trained AI models optimized for distinct business verticals. Out of the box, you have access to a real estate closer, and the demo walks through 4 main steps. Pick or build an agent, train it on your data, equip it with skills, and then deploy it through chat. That part is actually clearer than most AI sales pages. It also shows specific functions like brand memory, website scraping, lead research, email sequencing, and multi-format video output. In other words, it's trying to be a mini production department. I like that the platform structure is visible. I don't like that some of the strongest claims are still mostly described in marketing language. For example, enterprise grade and autonomous sound great, but they need real-world evidence behind them. In the source video at this point, professional. Now, we assign its modular skills. We will grant this agent lead generation, deal closing, commercial video production, copywriting, and email sequence authoring. A quick tip: avoid overcomplicating a single agent. You can create an unlimited number of agents, so it's always best practice to partition specific tasks to dedicated, hyper-focused digital teams. Next, we inject our native brand assets so the AI maintains perfect visual continuity. We can upload corporate logos and character reference models. Let's upload this professional male model profile. This image functions as an exact reference angle. Pricing is one of the first places I slow down. The page says the launch price is $197 one time, mentions a coupon code, and also says it will later become $97 per month. That is a big difference in ownership model, so it's not a small detail. If you buy at launch, the offer is positioned as a one-time payment with no monthly fee. That is attractive. But the page also uses hard urgency language like, prices are going up every minute you wait, and, once the timer hits 0, this deal disappears. I would not ignore that. Whenever the copy leans that hard on urgency, I assume I should double-check the actual checkout terms before buying. In the source video at this point, built-in image engine. Now, let's move to the skills management section. Our pre-built framework categorizes skills across marketing, sales, and content generation. We continuously scale this directory based on enterprise demands. If you want to construct an elite, highly proprietary skill, you can map your own framework. For instance, You can take a highly optimized structural prompt layout from ChatGPT defining video concepts, psychological hooks, hook story offer models, and scene-by-scene cinematography matrices and There are some real strengths. First, the platform seems focused on a specific use case, video creation for business use, not just generic AI chatting. Second, the demo shows phone-based workflow integration, which matters if you work on the go. Third, the product includes a commercial license, watermark-free exports, and multiple formats, which could be useful for client work. Fourth, the inclusion of a 30-day refund policy is helpful. And fifth, the page does show a fairly detailed feature list instead of pure mystery. So this is not nothing. It looks like a serious attempt at a bundled workflow platform. The key question is whether those features feel polished in practice, not just impressive on paper. In the source video at this point, this is an all-in-one conversational execution platform. It handles copywriting, lead scraping, digital mockups, logo designs, cinematic imagery, and broadcast-ready videos simultaneously. If you are wondering how to execute your first campaign, simply type "Hey" to bring up our pre-configured workflow templates. We currently feature over 65 highly optimized enterprise workflows. These span end-to-end automations across dozens of B2B niches. Let's launch the real estate video workflow. This eliminates Now the concerns. The testimonials are not verifiable, even though they're full of earnings-style numbers. The page also repeats a lot of superlatives with very little independent proof. The scarcity language is intense. And the biggest claim, that this can act like a full AI video agency, is still vendor-claimed rather than externally validated. Another issue is clarity around long-term cost. The launch offer sounds one-time, but the page explicitly says the platform may move to a monthly subscription later. So if you're the type of buyer who wants stable pricing, this deserves extra caution. None of that means it's fake. It means the burden of proof is still on the seller. In the source video at this point, for YouTube and web, vertical for Reels and TikTok, or square for social feeds. Let's select wide because our super agent is active. It automatically pulls our pre-saved brand assets, logos, and character models into the project timeline. We click Submit to launch the backend render engines. While the desktop engine processes our video assets in the background, let me show you how to execute this exact same workflow natively from your mobile phone using Telegram or WhatsApp. In the Mobile Settings tab, the platform generates a secure unique QR code and synchronization link. I am scanning this QR code with my smartphone right now. The app provides a secure linking code. If you make client videos, run local marketing, or produce faceless content and you like experimenting with new workflow tools, this could be worth a look. If you want a single system that tries to combine scripting, assets, delivery, and client pitch materials, the concept is strong. But if you're a beginner looking for a simple button that instantly solves everything, I think the sales page oversells the experience. And if you need hard proof before you buy, I'd wait for more third-party usage rather than relying only on the demo. My honest take is that the product has a real use case, but the marketing is doing a lot of the heavy lifting. My verdict is balanced but cautious. VideoClawBot looks like a feature-rich AI video. VideoClawBot looks like a real product with a real workflow, but the page is heavy on hype. If you want to check it out, use this link, https:// Quick heads up, the link in the description is an affiliate link, which means I may earn a small commission if you buy through it. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and it doesn't change my review. In the source video at this point, arts, the heart of your new luxury lifestyle. Exclusive amenities tailored to your needs. Indulge in spaces designed for relaxation.